Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna unbox a very interesting feature from Amazon Q Developer. It's called Amazon Q Developer Customization, which was just announced in New York Summit earlier this month, I believe. And we actually had some very great blog posts on AWS community, especially this one from Ricardo with a very detailed walkthrough video, and I was very excited watching this video, and I just can't wait give it a try using CDK. Today I'm gonna create my customization using this feature by uploading all the AWS CDK repository, official repository, create a customization and activate that customization in my VSCode IDE. And what I'm doing and what I'm planning to do is I'd like to create a brand new L2 construct for Redshift serverless, which is only available in L1 at this moment. We'll see that if we can code CDK like a pro by generating the customization from the official CDK repository. Okay, yeah, let's do it. So first thing first, I need to hop into the Q Developer console and go to the customizations. I'm gonna create a new customization. Let's call it AWS CDK description optional. And you have two options for source provider. The first one is cold start connections, but technically you should be allowed to select the remote GitHub repository through the cold start connections, but I didn't manage to make it. So I ended up using Amazon S3, but you need to upload the whole AWS CDK GitHub to a private S3 bucket and select that S3 URI as a source for the Amazon Q Developer, so it could generate the customization for you. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. Now let's git clone a fresh new AWS CDK repository. Okay, git clone. Okay, and I guess we need to better remove the git the hidden the hidden directory of git, because it's not used for the customization generation, right? So we should move that git. Okay, and I guess we don't need the snapshot as well as the everything integration testing generates, because what we really need is all the TypeScript. We don't need the JavaScript. We don't need the snapshot. So I'm gonna delete all the generate snapshot from the repository. So yeah, I'm trying to CDK name should be like snapshot. Okay, so we don't need that, right? exec rm-r rm-rf. Okay, again. Okay, no such file or directory. Okay, we are good. So I think we need to upload all the 63 megabyte to the S3 bucket. Okay, here we go. I'm not sure if 63 megabyte would be enough, but the minimal recommended size for the customization training is actually 20 megabyte. Okay. Then let's go to the S3 console. Go to this bucket and select this path. Copy S3 URI path. Okay, and log deliveries. Okay, I'm gonna create a log delivery to CloudWatch logs default. Okay, create the customization. Okay, so now it's generating the customization for me, and this could take like a couple of minutes or up to an hour, more or less. Okay, so let's just wait and see. Okay, so the customization is just created. Awesome. We should activate. So okay, so the evaluation score is 5, which is fair. Okay, so let's just activate this version. Activating. Okay, so now my customization is activated. I'm gonna associate this customization to my IAM identity user or group. Let's just click the version which is activated. Click users and groups, add users, and select a user or group from your IAM Identity Center, and just click add users. This user would be eligible to use this customization in the IDE. Okay, so successfully gave one user access. Awesome. Okay, so now let's open the VS Code. Okay, I'm opening a fresh new directory and select customization. Okay, so this is my customization for AWS CDK. So just click this one. Awesome. I'm gonna open the building terminal. I'm gonna CDK init -l TypeScript, new TypeScript CDK repository, and make sure the Amazon Q developer is ready. Okay, so what we are trying to do now is I'm gonna create a L2 construct for example, redshift serverless, which is only available as L1 in AWS CDK at this moment. Let's see if Amazon Q developer can help us build an L2 from L1, and let's see what the experience looks like. Okay, open Amazon Q, create a redshift serverless workgroup L2 construct for me. Let's see if it can create a L2 for me. Whoa, this is interesting. It is not accurate. So because an L2 construct should implement an interface and should have yeah, I think this is fine. But it should define an interface first. So let's ask it this way: create the workgroup L2 construct for me. Before that, define an iWorkgroup interface that implements iResource and create a workgroup props interface, and finally create the workgroup construct class that implements iWorkgroup extends CDK resource in its constructor. Create the CFN workgroup resource with resource as its ID. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this is interesting. We got the iWorkgroup interface. Good. We got the workgroup props, but it doesn't have to extend the CFN workgroup props. Okay, we'll check it later, but let's check the construct class. Okay, so export class. Okay, implements. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, so Yeah, let's insert at cursor this way. Okay, ops, right? And construct class itself. Okay, and let's just remove everything optional. Just leave the mandatory property, and we need to import this, right? And also constructs as well. Actually, it's workgroup name. Okay. That's it. So we have the very basic L2 construct like this, but generally we should make it okay. Resource attribute workgroup name attribute workgroup ARN. Awesome. Okay, so now we have an L2 construct for workgroup, and okay, let's try to deploy the workgroup. Create a stack first. New CDK stack, and now let's create a workgroup in the stack. Workgroup, and the workgroup name. Let's call it dummy workgroup. Okay, awesome. Let's deploy. All right, so we need a namespace. Let's look at the CloudFormation document. Okay, so we are here, right? And looks like the namespace would be required. So let's see if Amazon Q can create namespace L2 for us. But this time, let's try it this way. Create a redshift serverless namespace construct for me, just like the work group. Make sure to have all required interfaces. Okay, so we have namespace, right? And we have namespace props just like this, and we have the namespace L2 here, right? And let's remove all the optional properties. We just need the namespace name, right? Which should be the props namespace name, right? So we need the read-only namespace name. Okay, that's it. And let's look at the workgroup. So a workgroup will require the namespace, right? So it should be at the namespace, should be at the workgroup props, and the namespace should be the I namespace, right? So namespace would be props namespace name, right? Awesome. Okay, so let's create a namespace. And pass the namespace to the workgroup. Okay, that's it. CDK diff and deploy again. So we have namespace, we have workgroup with the L2 literally generated by Amazon Q. Awesome, it deploys. Okay, so let's go to the Redshift console. Okay, so we have a namespace workgroup running. The namespace is dummy namespace, workgroup dummy workgroup. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to run some SQL statement, but I'm not sure which SQL statement should I use. So I'm gonna ask Amazon Q recommend some SQL statements for me for testing. Okay, so we should create a table, test table, right? Okay, so I'm gonna create a test table. Okay, where's the test table? Okay, test table here. Okay, and insert data into the table. Insert into the table. Okay, good. And then select from the table. Awesome. Update. Yeah, I think this database is good. We can insert, select, and update. So I think this is working now, which is great. Okay, so I think yeah. So this is this is how we use the Amazon Q developer customization to create CDK L2 construct with us. So obviously this is still not perfect. We need a lot of hint. We need a lot of prompt to help it to generate better L2 constructs for us. But it is still very helpful, especially when you just generate L2s with mandatory properties only. That is still very helpful. But obviously, we still need a lot of improvement, a lot of better customization, of course. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this useful, and next time I will try to explore different approaches to generate better customization for better CDK experience. So let me know if you are interested, and leave your comments down the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.